Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the user logo on the FIFA Mobile 24. Without any further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is you need to log in into your FIFA Mobile account, and if you already log in, you can go to club menu and then you can click the club. And on this menu, you can go to the locker room. And in the locker room, you can go to the user logo. Okay, you can change it by clicking any logo on the user logo. Okay, like this. You have a option that World Cancer Day 20, World Cancer Day 20, AMT logo, WCD logo, and also True Homie. Okay, and for this example, I want change it into the True Homie, and now you can confirm, and the change already saved. Okay, you can go back to the home menu, and here it is. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you like the video, you can like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to this channel. You haven't done that already. And if you have a questions, you can leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.